Hello everyone, welcome to Tower PHTV. So it's been a while but we're back sa ating Mail Day videos. And yun, again we got this NBA trading cards that we purchased online. So big shout out kay Boss Kirby. Yan, sa The Cardboard Corner. So yung pinaka medyo bigger names when it comes sa mga NBA trading cards. When it comes sa sa online sa Facebook. So medyo mabibigat yung mga cards na kinuha natin, although not the most expensive, no, but still part of our personal collections. Marami kasi si Boss Kirby over, talaga medyo mga bigatin na cards. But yun, let's check out kung ano laman ito. But first, let's do our intro. Ladies and gentlemen, big shout out kay Boss Kirby. And ayun, sa Cardboard Corner, please check out yung Facebook page ng Cardboard Corner. And yung mga breaks din si Boss Kirby and yung kanyang bonanza sale, regular yun. So yung mga hard to find or yung mga hard to get na mga cards, yan minsan doon natin na kukuha. Well, madalas nandun. Also, big shoutout kay Card Hub PH yun. Big congratulations sa first episode ng podcast ng FOTL, first of the line. Si last episode or yung first episode nga, we talked about, dahil napag-usapan yung Luka which means Luka AD trade between Dallas and Lakers, and yun sa mga cards ng price and price ng cards and other cards na collectibles like TCG and Pokemon. And with the first episode, kasama si Boss Ready Mayoyo. So guys, check out yung mga Facebook page, yung sa Instagram First of the Line FOTL podcast, yung YouTube channel ni Boss Ready, and of course yung Facebook page ni Card Hub PH. Ayan, so medyo maganda yung pagkaka-package ni Boss Kirby. Hindi natin and well rin siya, well protected. Kanyang mga top loaders. So we got mostly Jordan Clarkson cards. Of course, yung pinocollect natin yung select. This one is purple na flash. Yata ito. So purple, it's a numbered card to 175. Then we got 3 elite cards. All of these are numbered 2. So to 99. This one is to 75, and the last one is to 49. So as you all know guys, nagko-collect tayo ng Jordan Clarkson cards, and yung last card natin is itong silver numbered card, silver hole number 299, also Jordan Clarkson. Medyo tahimik ang Utah, bakit ng standings kasi nila, medyo tahimik din si Jordan Clarkson. Wala masyadong balita about sa Utah. So yun lang guys, just share to you yung ating mail day ngayon, and of course mga cards na nakuha natin. And thank you for your support sa ating channel. We recently surpassed yung 5,000 subscribers. Hopefully soon 10,000 subscribers, so road to 10,000, and yung ating 2 million plus views na. So medyo not really that big, but slowly our channel is growing. Check out din nyo yan guys, yung ating channel Tower PH Gaming, where we share yung mga full games natin. Kasi medyo nawiwili tayo sa Mobile Legends, and of course yung favorite character natin si Iritel, and I just got a set of skins dun sa star ng Mobile Legends. So I got yung skin ni Iritel. So yun guys, hanggang dito na lang, and maraming salamat sa pag-join. Big shoutout sa ating mga members na sina BF Angel Mendoza in Seoul, si Tasted Sip by Tesha, si Mami Mads Helen, and si Hampas Lupang Burgess. Sorry, I almost forgot si CJ Gev. So, yun, big shoutout sa inyo and please follow their channel. And of course, big shoutout din sa ating mga kaibigan ng mukbangers, ASM artists, content creators, vloggers, gamers, action figure collectors, and of course, sa mga trading card collectors, especially sa mga nagko-collect ng NBA trading cards. And big shoutout din sa mga collectors ng Jordan Clarkson, sa mga Utah fans. And lastly, yun, big shoutout sa Los Angeles Lakers fans. We got Luka Doncic in tandem with LeBron, although we lost si AD. Hopefully good luck kay AD sa Dallas. Medyo malalim ang bench, medyo malalim ang team ngayon ng Dallas, and I think AD will be a good addition kay Kyrie, and a good rin siya, magiging good think leader or mentor para sa mga centers, especially kay Derek Lively. And for the Lakers naman, I'm not sure how Luka will fit in, but having LeBron and Luka on the same team, I think medyo may pupuntahan naman siya. So yun guys, medyo marami na ako nakwento. So again, kita-kita tayo sa susunod pa natin mga video. This is Albert Remo from Tower PH TV.
Ladies and gentlemen.